We have the Bus Operators Association today, Mr. Speaker, said they issued a statement threatening government, threatening Fiji to say that we have not done enough in this budget for the bus operators and that services may be affected. That's what they issued a statement today. They wanted some special conditions given to them. Despite the fact that 20 cents have been removed, they wanted even further reduction for themselves. It used to happen before, sir, but what used to happen then was that they would then go and fill up their trucks, their cars, and sell fuel and then claim it as fuel being used for buses. Not all of them, some of them. Some of the companies are doing well. You know exactly how much fuel they use because they actually have fuel tanks in the garages. But they also don't tell the public that they can go through the FCCC. In fact, they have a meeting with FCCC next Tuesday. They've asked for a fair rise. And they probably get it. It's an independent process. So we as a government, Mr. Speaker, sir, are trying to ensure that new transparent systems of government operate. Not like previously, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Come and go and see somebody, see the Prime Minister, see some minister, and then get their bus fare increased. System doesn't work that way. When FCCC asks them for their accounts, show us how much money you spend, how much money you spend to buy buses and all of it. Half of them don't have their accounts done. They don't want to reveal it. How can you run an economy and people don't want to reveal that? You have to be transparent in that. This is what government needs to do, sir. This is what government needs to deal with.